Hello everyone, this is Aurelia from Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share and I hope that you will join me. I picked up some stockings. Well, I picked up two of these. See there? I like this material. It's like a velour material and it's got stamping image on both sides of snowflakes. I love the snowflakes. So I mainly just need one, but if I mess up, I have an extra material to work with. This is why I picked it up, and I like the fuzzy edging. So I need that one. And then I picked up one of these Santa hats, and this is also it's got that fuzzy material and the fuzzy cuffing. What is this called? Fleece? Yeah, fleece. And it has the pom-pom. I have a Mad hat today at work coming up, so I needed this. So put that aside, or I'm gonna put it in the car so I know where it's at. And then I picked up this candy cane. It's got a cute little bow on there. My plan is to disassemble this candy cane. And it's such a cute bow, I will save that for a different project. I want to take this apart and see if I can get like individual candy canes out of here. So wish me luck. I also picked up a new wall sign. Look at that. How cute is this? I like the way it looks. It is going to go really well with my woodland theme this year for Christmas. Adorable. I love the deers walking by the house. I like it. And then I also picked up a couple of picks. Look at this. And these are called ferns. Mine came with two labels. But look at this. It has the snowy effect and it also has glitter in there. Very pretty sparkle. Cute. And look what I found at our favorite store, the Dollar Tree. Craft funnels by Crafter Square. You get 3 funnels for $1.25. So look at this. Isn't that cute? Oh, these two appear to be the same size. And then you get a smaller one. Look at this. Cute, right? Let me test it out. I already have some funnels, but you know what? I do not have any craft funnels from the Dollar Tree. So that is added to my list now. Well, not that you can see, but okay. They're a little chunky for my little funnel. There we go. It's going through. Cute. I like it. I will be adding this to my list of tools I have to use. Really, really cute. I like it. And then look what I found. This is a DIY macrame rainbow kit. It's by Crafted Up Creative Kids. I have a similar rainbow macrame kit that I was going to use for an upcoming project. But look at this. I mean, now I have this one. And if you saw my last haul, I picked up the other two that they have. So let me show you right quick. These are the two that I found on my last trip. This is the feather and a cactus. Look at that. So it seems like right as of today, Dollar Tree has these three that they have in their collection. So if you can find all three like this, it'll be awesome. But I will be using these very soon, so don't forget, come back and craft with me. The last items I picked up from the Dollar Tree are these. So this is why I love Dollar Tree. Thank you, Dollar Tree. And of course, thank you for the associates to put the stuff out so I can buy them. Look at this. It is a chrome nail powder, and it is by B Color. Isn't this amazing? I like this. And it comes with one applicator, and it's 0.03 ounce. I found it in the silver, so I'm thinking that, other colors will be coming to Dollar Tree. I am hopeful anyways. So I will test this out on my nails because, I love nail color. But I also would like to use this on my craft projects. Look at this. It comes in a cute little container, so once you finish emptying this out, you can use this for other things. And an applicator. Adorable. So this chrome powder, to use it you need an LED or a gel lamp. It says works best with darker colored gel polishes. Yeah, you have to use a base gel color, and then you add this on, and you shine it until it shines really bright. But look, so this is what we're attempting. Yeah, I am willing to give it a try. But how cute, right? Just $1.25 for chrome nail polish like this, and it's a brand name. Amazing. I love it. Yeah. So I picked up 3, and I will be on the watch out for any other colors that they have coming. I hope I was able to show you a few items today that you may want to keep a watch out for when you go visit your Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.